Hello everyone, today I want to show you a tip about cutting crown molding. So there's a couple of ways that you can do this, but I want to show you kind of an easy way to make sure that you're setting your angle correctly on your miter saw. So if your crown molding sits upright like this on the miter saw, it makes a nice cut, but if you get it laying down or standing up too steep, it's going to really mess with your angle. Unless you're using a compound miter saw and if you lay it flat on your saw and cut it with a compound miter. I'll show you that too. So this is a scrap that's cut at a 45 for an outside 45 corner. Okay, so one way you can do this is just literally lay it flat on the saw, right? And you can set your saw for the compound angles, leaning the saw over and then mitering it this way to where it matches that angle, and you can lay it flat there. Sometimes that's difficult to do for a lot of different reasons, so this is oftentimes an easier way to do that. So what I'm going to show you here is how to make sure that you get it standing up correctly. So if you look here, the back of the crown molding that fits against the wall is what I have up against the fence here, okay? So what I've done is I've set that to where it's touching the fence in such a way that it touches the wall. So it's flat against the wall right here, and it's also flat against the fence there. Then what I've done is I marked a line on here before I put this board on. Then what I did is I cut this board, okay? So this is my tip for you. I cut this board that fits the length of my miter saw. I clamped it on there, and you can see when I turn my miter saw, I actually cut into this board, so I've made it wide enough to where it doesn't cut it in half. So what that does is that acts as like a little stop. So whether I'm setting the crown on this side, I'm setting the crown on this side, it's always going to be at the same angle up and down, which will give me my 45 inside or 45 outside whenever I want it. So I hope that helps you guys. Tip there. If you can like the video and share it, I really appreciate it. All right, take care.